Track 90. Unit 6, Lesson 5. Listen and say which souvenir it is.
I like this souvenir. I can wear it to the sports club. You wear it on your head. It's red, white and blue. It's a...
I can keep my keys safely on this. I like the elephants. They are very pretty. They're...
This is a little Japanese girl with black hair and a red bow in her hair. Yes, it's a...
You can write to your friends on this. It has 3 words on it. It's a...
I like this souvenir because I like to drink tea. It is red and white and there's a cedar tree on it. It's a...
I like this souvenir because you can wear it. It is red, white and blue. It comes from Thailand. It's a...